Okay, let's say that you've got everything ready to go. Your final step is to save and publish your creation. So you can see now that this says draft. We won't want this to be draft, so you can go ahead and click on it, and that'll bring up your tour information page. So we'll quickly look through here. Let's choose our cover, and let's pick I'm quite fond of this one, so we'll go ahead and use that. Then the tour location. Now here again, like the map setting earlier, this has no location. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up and just type in National Jinan University. There you go, National Jinan University, and we'll click that one, and there you are. Now let's put a pin in it. So we'll just put it right there in the middle of the picture. Should make everybody happy. And say save location. And I think that has this is just all of the picture information for people that are really interested. Now we have everything we want here. We're going to turn it on to published and press save. And after that, your viewers should be able to see it.